Are in for Nebraska's election races. The policies that passed on the ballot are going to be moving into the state legislature this January. Channel 8's Mackenzie Johnson spoke with the Vice President of Action for the League of Women's Voters of Nebraska on how they're preparing for the 2023 session.
The group is comprised of around 400 members across the state. They focus on bills that would affect Nebraska women. A representative says this upcoming year could be very busy as important topics like voter ID and reproductive health care are at the forefront.
Helping folks feel comfortable, know what to do, know how to get involved. It's an integral part to focus on things that actually need to be addressed in our state.
The League of Women's Voters of Nebraska is a nonpartisan group that focuses on getting women to actively participate in state government. During each legislative session, they research bills as they're introduced, looking at related policies in other states to compare. They give testimony on bills they feel strongly about and follow the policies throughout the session. Gibson says the unicameral legislature is a great benefit to their group.
I think in the setup that we have, it really allows that public voice to come in a way that would be harder to break into, I think, in other states. We also have some incredible legislators who are just very supportive of all the issues that the League of Women Voters focuses on, that I think is great.
This coming legislative session will start in January of 2023, and Gibson says there are already a list of things they are ready to follow. Among the most important are voter ID laws and women's reproductive health care and abortion. Gibson says they try to get as many opinions as possible when they decide what to support. She says they will advocate for voting accessibility and for women to be able to make the best reproductive decisions with their healthcare provider. Another thing that is on their minds is public schooling.
Public schools is another piece that we're really focusing on because we have such a wonderful foundation, and for 90% of our K-12 students to continue to have access to state-funded, accessible, community-based education is really important to us.
Overall, Gibson says their main priority is getting women to understand that their voices are important in lawmaking decisions.